understand it exactly. What is the difference between can I and may I? May I, you already know that may I and may we is used for permission. Whenever you are asking for any permission, you are supposed to use may I, right? And permission is for only yourself. So may cannot be used in that sense for any other subject. May I or maximum may we. For example, if there are more than one person and you want to enter somewhere, so you are supposed to say may we come in, right? So may I is formally used everywhere. May I come in, sir? May I sit with you? It is absolutely formal and it has to be used all the time, and it's very important. Now, let's understand what is can I? What is the use of can I? So, as one of my friend already said that can be used informally. But what is the real use? You understand. First of all, when we talk about the interrogative use of can, so it is used, it is maximum used with any other subject. When we talk about the abilities or capacities, you can say, you can use an interrogative sense. Can he speak English? Can he speak English? Can he speak French? Can he drive the car? Right? You are asking somebody else for somebody else कि ये काम कर सकता है कि नहीं. Can she cook? Can she handle the situation? Can you come with me? Can you help me in this regard? When remember one thing, when you say can you help, you are talking about ability, you are talking about capacity. It is not a formality. When you say can you drive the car, it is not a formality. You are simply asking about somebody's ability, about somebody's capacity. It's not at all formal. It has nothing to do with any formality. But especially when we talk about can I am giving too much emphasis on can I because maximum people use is by mistake. They think can I and may I is same, but it's not like that. So can I is used when some authorized person is talking. The person who has authority, the person who has a right. For example, you are in the train and TC comes. You are in the train and TC comes. So he is supposed to ask you, can I see your tickets please? He will not say, may I see your tickets? Because he is not asking for permission. He is ordering you. But basically, out of formality, he is saying, can I see your tickets please? And you cannot say no. When may I is used, when somebody asks, may I come in, then you have right to refuse. But when somebody uses can I, he has right. He is basically ordering you, so you cannot refuse. If you are at abroad and a policeman comes and asks you, can I see your passport please? You cannot say no because he has right. This is the situation of can I. Another thing, when a senior talks to his junior, so he is not asking for permission. He has right. He can say. ठीक है? For example, that a junior is watching a movie in the mobile, and senior has doubt. So he can say, can I see your mobile please? And the junior cannot refuse. In normal case, when you are talking to somebody else, and you have to say, to see the mobile, you are supposed to say, may I see your mobile please? It is a different matter. You are asking for permission. The person may refuse. But when you say, can I? You have right. So basically, can I is used when the person is showing his authority. He has right to say it. Then you use can I. Otherwise not. Remember this. These are two different things. So can I can only be used when an authorized person talking. Otherwise not. Remember this.